Hey everybody, I wanted to do a review of my 2015 BMW G650GS. Period. Kind of a sad day, I'm selling it today. And I've always wanted to do a review on it because I'm a big fan of all the 650 singles. I've had a couple of XR 650Ls and DR 650. And this was a interesting bike. It was more touring like a KLR, obviously not as good off-road as an XR, but it was probably a better long-distance DR 650. It came with a lot of cool features at that time. For example, the Brembo brakes, the steel braided lines, accessory socket right here, the really nice cross spoke rims, a center stand, the luggage. The headlight is unbelievable. If you ever see reviews on these, hard to believe this bike is 7 years old already, but that headlight is just crazy for not being anything high tech. Let's get back to what it came with. It came with heated grips, 2-stage high and low, came with emergency flashers, came with switchable ABS, nice bars. I put the GPS on it. I also put this Touratech rack on it. It's kind of a cool feature. In here is like a little glove box where you can put a hat or something. And with the Touratech, you just take these Zeus fasteners off and it goes down there. Check out the dual exhaust. Kind of cool. In reality, it's not a dual exhaust. It's nothing comes out of this pipe at all. I think it might be a converter. Got a lot of converter in there, but it's got a cross pipe. Hopefully you can see that right there, and then it empties out onto the right one. Right there. But it's been a cool bike, you know, it really has. I'm not really a lover of BMWs because of the maintenance. I've had a couple of GS 1200s, and they're great bikes, they ride great, but this was just one that always caught my eye, and wanted to do a review on it, so to speak. Fork brace. Stock. So there's a lot of good views. You can adjust the preload right here for the rear. How about the fuel tank here? So it's low. So it's got excellent range, and at a constant 60 miles an hour, this gets 72 miles per gallon. The same as my CRF. It might get better. It's still breaking in, but it's averaging 72. And then twice that, the Grom. The Grom gets 150 miles per gallon, actually close to 160. But back to the BMW here. It's just a cool bike. And you know, as you can see, my garage is filled with Hondas, so I'm kind of a fanboy there. And I love the XR 650L. That's probably my second, or my first favorite, even though that's a dinosaur, but I love that bike. But yeah, it's gonna go to Wow Motorsports in Atlanta, Georgia. And if you have an interest in this bike, I'm sure it'll be on their website. Guido up there is a great guy. It's a huge 60,000 square foot used motorcycle dealership. And mine has no miles on it, really. Let's see where we got here. 1,200 miles. And I bought it brand new. So, and I've done all the maintenance, all the oil changes, all the brake fluid, flushes, all that good stuff. And, but yeah, the seat is really comfortable too. Everyone always complains about seats on motorcycles. I'm not that kind of guy. I've pretty much liked everything. But I do love these 650s. I wish I lived in the mountains. I live in South Florida. So I can't enjoy this the way that I really like to, but I used to have a cabin up in Tail of the Dragon up there in western North Carolina, and a bike like that would be an awful lot of fun. But it's its final day under my residence, and hopefully an enthusiast gets this. You know the full history of it with me. If you get there and you buy it, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll tell you anything, but there's nothing to tell you. You know, it comes with a good BMW bags, like I said before. So, all right, well, thank you for checking it out. And I'm not really trying to sell it, I'm just trying to have a memory of this bike. My problem is I own too many motorcycles. You know, I was at 21 at one time, which is just dumb. And then I got down to 14. It was kind of manageable. But now I'm gonna get down to about 7, which is still stupid, don't get me wrong, but I love them. I love motorcycles. I'm 60, I've had one since I was 11 years old and never been without. But hope you enjoyed this, and comment if you have this bike or any questions. Thank you, have a great day.